Guys, part 2.
Tingnan mo yung nakara mo, guys.
Pa-swimming tayo, guys.
Dapat tumitay.
So, kailangan natin maglakad, guys. Yan, guys. Madulas din, guys, masyado. Yan, guys. Minsan, matatapilok ka talaga, guys. So, tingnan lang natin daanan natin, guys. Kasi, marami. Damo? Ang layo, guys. Sobra.
Ayan na.
Ayun na. Ayun nun! Aray, kung katay. So, ayan na, guys. Ang ilog. Yuhuu! Ayan na, guys. Woots!